Hello everyone, I just got some packages and I thought I would share them with you. There's nothing better than opening some happy mail. You may hear some chimes going on, and that's because my front door is open. It's so nice out. But I thought I'd quickly unbox these. The first package is from Twisby. It is another pen I got. I got another fine clear. Oh, yeah, this I'll have to open this later. I forgot that they have these stickers on the side. It's a clear what's the Eco clear with fine nib. The next one is this is the best ever. I love opening up Chic Sparrow presents from myself to myself. This is from the sale that they had on the Bingley. This is, what is this? Oh yeah, the Bingley folio cover. It's so beautiful, and I opted for the elastic closure. Here it is. Oh, look at the inside. It has these blue speckling. This is and veining. Wow, I've never seen that. And I have a couple of other covers that are this blue Bingley, but I haven't noticed this. I don't think I have this on my other ones. This is so cool. And it's so soft. I love it. Okay, the next one is gonna be probably hard to open here with camera. Let's see. These are two totes from PLG, Portland Leather Goods. Hopefully you're not gonna see me slicing my hand here on camera. Let's hope not. I've had some mishaps lately, including burning myself while cooking. So let's see. I love how they package stuff. Their little card. This is the blue one. This is the blue bell. They didn't have it as a regular. It was sold out. So this is a almost perfect in the color bluebell. This is the crossbody tote. Oh, it's so soft. This is actually a different blue than what I was expecting. I was expecting more of a light blue, but this is actually kind of a denim gray blue. Oh, this is so pretty. This is comes with a crossbody strap and two straps, and it has that kind of long shape, which I like. I don't like the totes. I'm not a big fan. I have a few, but I'm not a big fan of the totes that are, you know, more of that flower pot, how they flower pot at the top. I really like the totes that are more of a straight, kind of a straight bucket. Oh, this is gorgeous. And the camera is catching the color really nicely. Maybe making it a little bit more blue, brighter than it really is. It's a little bit more of a gray, kind of a gray blue. Yeah, like a denim. It's beautiful. I love it. And it's so soft. Okay, I have to smell it. Please excuse me while I'm smelling my new bag. Oh, it's so good. Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay, the next one. This one is in the papaya. Oh, it's so nice. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. It's like a burnt orange. This papaya is like a burnt orange. Oh, I love it. I was worried that it's gonna be too bright, but it's neutral. It's very neutral. Again, the camera is showing it a little bit more brighter. A little bit more brighter than, more brighter. The camera is showing it brighter. Oh, come on. I can't even talk. It's showing it brighter than it actually is. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I'm so glad I could share these unboxings with you. It's kind of hard to do unboxings on camera. As you could see, my struggle. So I don't do these very often, but today I decided, all right, let's just do it. See how it goes. So there we go. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye.